Hi there, this is Kelly Meagher, and I am coming to you from my home, which we're trying not to leave very much during this time. I am in my fourth master's class as a master's in quality management. I still have a little over 2 years before I will graduate. I have worked as a nurse for over 30 years and really never imagined I would be pursuing a master's this far into my career. But I am very happy that I've jumped in and am continuing to learn more with each class. I am a quality outcomes coordinator at KU Med Center. I'm under the umbrella of quality and safety, and I'm involved with collecting data in different surgery registries, and then assisting with quality improvement programs to assist our patients with decreasing infection rates and decreasing other issues which can cause returning to the hospital following surgeries. I've found a job where all of my vast knowledge obtained with the different areas I've worked in really making a difference with the ideas and foundations for the job I'm currently working in. It's very satisfying with obtaining data and presenting it to the rest of our team to show either where we need more work or what we need to continue doing because we are making a difference. I am still unsure of where the future of nursing will lead me. I'm thinking I might wish to teach one day. My nursing career has been a very fulfilling job with the ability to learn new skills and always feel like my work is helping others and is very rewarding. I've spent a lot of my career working at Children's Mercy and pre-op and PACU and Shawnee Mission Medical Center in the same areas. Also working at urgent care centers. So I have a vast knowledge base. I also worked mother baby for 3 years. So really a career that's kind of spanned a lot of different areas. My personal growth is to continue to be a leader for my family, and my professional growth is to finish my master's with this possibility of teaching in the future. In my personal time, I really enjoy running. It's a little too chilly for me today, so I decided not to do that today. I also love to garden and also having our grown kids over for dinner and hanging out and spending time with them. I see that we're going to be going through a lot of really intense times these next couple weeks to months and possibly longer. I'm glad I will be able to assist in other areas of the hospital as we brace for more patients with this pandemic. And it's a trying time, but as nurses, we just always seem to come together and offer our help and hope wherever we can. And I'm delighted to be in another class and continue to learn while this is occurring and get some other insight from everybody else on their thoughts and feelings. And I hope everybody's staying safe and not too overwhelmed at work. And I look forward to seeing more posts from you and blogs. And we'll wish everybody a good, safe weekend. Thank you.